What's going on, guys? Back again with another tool review video. This time I have for you the Husky 18-inch wide mouth tool bag. Very happy with this recent purchase. The reason why I picked this up was simply because I needed more space. Here's the old WorkPro tool bag. If you saw the video of my review for the WorkPro 125 piece toolkit review, I'll leave the link for that video in the description box below. But the reason why I picked up this new bag was simply because I needed more space. And not to say that this bag isn't well constructed or doesn't fit your needs if you're just looking for a basic tool bag. This does the job. However, I was looking for something tough, durable, and a little bit more space to carry with me to the job site. What I really like about this that is not on that other bag is this adjustable shoulder strap, which makes it easier to carry around, to transport. And let's go over some of the stats for this bag. It has 14 total pockets, so it has 7 internal and 7 external. So it has 4 on the outside of the bag, where you can see I keep some tools, and then on the other side are 3 pockets, and on the inside are the 7 internal pockets and 25 cubic inches of holding capacity. So a good amount of space for holding pretty much all the tools you need to take with you to the job. It's 18 inches wide by 10 inches high by 9 inches deep. So a pretty good sized bag, but not too big that you feel too cumbersome lugging this thing around with you. As far as construction, it is constructed of 600 denier polyester, which is a standard duty type of polyester. It does have water resistance and a 3-year limited warranty. And this bag is exclusive to Home Depot, so you can pick this up at your local Home Depot store or online at homedepot.com. I will leave a link for this bag in the description box below. And just wanted to show you a couple of new pieces of kit that I recently acquired as well. I have a set of HDX knee pads. These are just basic knee pads with the plastic on the outside, foam on the inside, and the adjustable Velcro straps. Very easy to put on. They don't slip down on the legs too much. I mean, you'll have to be doing some adjusting, but these are definitely a lifesaver if you're doing any sort of work where you need to be on your knees, such as doing any sort of flooring, and you got to be kneeling on the hard surface for hours at a time. I definitely recommend getting a set of knee pads. They also have different types of knee pads at your local Home Depot. Obviously some more expensive models, but these are pretty much just the basic set that I was looking for doing any sort of work that requires me to be on my knees for a long time, like the flooring that I had to do. Also, if you're doing any sort of flooring, it's very handy to have one of these, a rubber mallet. This is the Anvil 16-ounce rubber mallet. Also picked this up at Home Depot. These are handy for knocking in those interlocking floor tiles. Also, if you're closing up any sort of paint can, you want to give a couple of taps on the outside with this rubber mallet to make sure that paint can gets closed. And there's a bunch of other uses for having a rubber mallet. This is definitely something that you want to have in your tool bag. So that's it. Just want to make a quick review of a couple of the new tools that I recently acquired on my journey to learning the property maintenance trade. Very excited with it. Excited for the future. I see a lot of opportunities in this, and I look forward to making more videos of the trade of property maintenance, as well as some other things that I'm learning. As I learn, I will share this knowledge with you, and together we can help each other to grow. So thanks again for checking this out. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.